hard to write a love letter when I first met you there, but I just keep it on my secret place. I am not the only one who adore you anyway, but someday you will know that I am here. I'm just waiting for a moment to tell you I'm waiting, and I'll make you all mine. Well, I'm waiting, waiting, waiting. I don't care what people say about who you are and what you do, and all I see that perfect lies in you. I believe that the time will come and we will be together. Oh, I am so in love with you, and I'm falling for you, and I'm just waiting.